From as early as I can remember, I was taught that to be successful, you need to get good grades, go to college, get a job, invest in your retirement accounts, and work as long as you can until you think you have enough saved to retire. But what if I told you there was another way? I'm Dan, that's Ray, and until 2010, we were living the life we were taught to live, until we started investing in real estate. It was then we realized it was possible to break that mold, start our own business, become entrepreneurs, and gain the financial freedom everyone dreams of. If you're interested in learning about real estate investing, business, and entrepreneurship, you've come to the right channel. There's so much we want to talk about: how to find deals, how to analyze deals, how to finance deals, how to manage contractors, and so much more. So join us as we share our real estate journey, the successes, the failures, what's worked in our business and what hasn't, and most importantly, help and inspire you to get started or continue to succeed in your own real estate investing adventure.